Welcome to 12th Street in the city of San Pedro. This is the front unit of a fourplex. Parking on the side front of the unit. Unit 1025 is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath and has been updated recently. Ceiling fan and tile floors in the living room and 2-inch faux wood blinds. The front patio area is private and only for the front unit. The kitchen has been nicely updated with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances including a microwave, a range, a refrigerator, and a dishwasher. A brand new washer and dryer stackable are off of the kitchen and another private area on the side of the house. Plenty of light and air in this front unit. Off of the hallway is the bathroom with a large walk-in shower. Also, a brand new vanity and sink and faucet. The bedroom is also off the hallway or off the living room. It has a ceiling fan, 2-inch faux wood blinds, and a very large walk-in closet. If interested in viewing this unit, please check us out at jamico.com